Question 2. S is the circle, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Write down the center, the radius of the circle S. Okay, so there's nothing additional here. No, like x plus 4, x minus 4, anything like that. So this is actually centered at the origin. So it's 0, 0. So the formula here is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, where r is the radius. So this is going to be 5. Okay, so that's what all you need to do for that one. Show that the point 3, minus 4 is on the circle. Okay, so you just put the points in. Okay, so it's going to be x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. So that's 3 squared plus minus 4, 2b squared is equal to 25. So it's going to be 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, which means I verified that the point is on the circle. Okay. Part 3, write down the coordinates of 2 other points that are also on the circle. Okay, right, so we know that it's at the origin. Okay, so again, you might do a little sketch here with the compass and do it properly. So you'll have something like that. So if the radius is 5, okay, so that point there is going to be 5. So it's going to be 0, 5. That point over there is going to be 0, minus 5. This point up here is going to be, is that right? Sorry, I've got those wrong. They're the other way around. So that's going to be 5, 0. That's going to be minus 5, 0. This one here is going to be 0, 5. And this one down here is going to be 0, minus 5. So there's four of the points. Okay, so you can pick any 2 of them for your answer. So I'm just going to say minus 5, 0 and 5, 0. Okay. So that's that part. The next part, find the points of intersection between the circle K, so this is a different circle here, and the line where the line is a linear equation here. Okay, fine. Right, so let's do the following. Let's simplify this. So 5 minus 9 equals. So let's get one of these. So I'm going to go with y because it's already in 1y. So that's going to be minus y is equal to minus 5x plus 13. Okay, now I'm going to multiply across by minus 1 to change the sign of the y here. So that's going to be 5x and that's going to be 13. Okay, sorry, that's minus 13. I'll rub that out. Right, so now what I'd like to do is substitute that y in here to see if I can get x. So k, I'll start it up here. K is x squared plus y squared equals 13. So now I'll say x squared plus, I'll sub in this value, 5x minus 13 to be squared is equal to 13. Okay, so 5x 13, we need to square that. 5x minus 13 by 5x minus 13. So use your FOIL, multiply the 5x's, multiply the 5x by minus 13, and then multiply 13 by both of those. So the first one is going to be 25x squared. Then I'm going to say 5 by minus 13. So 5 tens is 50, 5 threes is 15. So that's minus 65x. The next one is going to be minus 65x as well. And the last one then is going to be 13 13s is 169. That's a plus 169. Okay. which gives me x squared plus 25x squared minus 65x minus 65x plus 169 is equal to 13. So simplify that a little bit. So that's going to be 26x squared minus 130x. Now let's put these two together. So that's going to be a minus when I bring it over. So that's going to be plus 156 equals 0. Okay, so it looks like I can divide that by 13. Yeah, so that's 2x squared minus 10x, and 12 13s is 156, so that's going to be 12 equals 0. I can have this, so that's x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, so now can I factor this? Yes, I can. So 3 2s are 6. Yeah, so x minus 3, x minus 2 should work. Which means x is 3 and 2. Okay, so now I'm looking for the points of intersection. So I've got the two x values. I need to find the two y values. So if I come back here, so for x equals 3, so if I say 5 3s, I'm using this equation here, the line. So 5 minus y is equal to 13 equals 0. Oh, minus y equals 0. So that's 15 minus y minus 13 equals 0. So minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus y is equal to minus 2. So y is 2. And the other one then is when x is 2. Again, sub it into this. So 5 outside of 2 minus y minus 13 equals 0. 10 minus y minus 13 equals 0. So this is going to be minus y minus 3 equals 0. Minus y equals 3. So y is equal to minus 3. So my answers then are, I've got 2 points. I've got 3, 2 and 2, minus 3. Okay, so a bit of work there needed, but that's the answer we're looking for. Okay, so there are the 2 points where this line and this circle intersect. And that's it for question 2.